Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling off, like your body's here, but your mind is lagging behind? This is how you sync the two, breath by breath. Let's hit the mat. Your spine is your power line. If it's stiff, everything else feels blocked. We begin by reconnecting to the rhythm within you. Come onto all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift the gaze and cow. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin. Move with your breath, not faster than it, not slower. You're going to feel movement in each vertebra, breath flowing from the ribs. This move realigns your nervous system and brings oxygen-rich blood back to the brain. The stillness you find here will become fuel for the movement ahead. Round 1 inch higher, arch 1 inch deeper. 5 more seconds. Can you feel your spine articulating instead of just moving? That just unlocked your back. Now let's create flow. This is how you stretch time. Stillness to strength, back to stillness. We're building your internal rhythm. Begin in child's pose, knees wide, arms forward, forehead to the mat. Inhale, glide forward to Cobra, hips down, chest lifts. Exhale, press back into child's pose. Repeat. You're going to feel length through the spine, openness in the chest, a breath guiding the transitions. This teaches you how to move from rest, not from pressure, and that changes everything. This back and forth movement increases spinal fluid circulation and mental clarity. On this last Cobra, hold it. Let your chest rise gently for 5 more seconds. Are you moving with tension or surrender? That just opened your breath. Now let's energize your rotation. Rotation is how we wake up deeper layers, muscles, and mindset. This one gets into your hips and spine at the same time. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, a left knee down, right hand on thigh. Inhale, lift the left arm and twist toward the right knee. Gaze follows the hand. You're going to feel a spiral of tension releasing from hip to shoulder. This move realigns your posture, recharges your core, and builds balance. We're taking this rotation and making it dynamic next. Twist a little deeper. Hold for 5. Can you breathe fully inside that twist? That just woke up your posture. Time to shift to the other side. Balance isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Left foot forward, a right knee down, a right hand on the ground or thigh. Inhale, lift your left arm and twist toward the front leg. Don't force the twist, breathe into it. You're going to feel depth in the left hip and openness in the chest. Twisting both sides keeps your spine symmetrical, your digestion flowing, and your breath balanced. Spinal twist can stimulate your vagus nerve, your body's built-in calm switch. Press down through your front foot. Give me 5 more seconds. Is your gaze soft or straining? Let it soften. That just rebalanced your core. Now let's stand and finish strong. This is your challenge round, balance, mobility, and breath. Everything we've built is tested here. Come into a deep squat, feet slightly wider than hips, toes turned out. Bring one hand to the floor, reach the other toward the sky. Alternate sides in a slow rhythm. Keep the hips low and spine tall. You're going to feel your ankle, hip, and thoracic mobility sinking together. Breath powering every rep. This full body twist enhances coordination, grounds your base, and activates your posture. Our final stretch brings it full circle with a grounding release. Can you keep your squat deep and spine long while rotating? Last 5 seconds. Which side feels tighter? That's the side to come back to tomorrow. That just reactivated your posture. Now let's elongate and center. This is a stretch that reminds your body it's allowed to breathe wide. A simple move, but really done right. Stand tall, feet on the hips. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Feel the length through the side body. Switch halfway through. You're going to feel a stretch from your hip to your fingertips. Breath expanding the ribs like a balloon. This unlocks your rib cage, and when the ribs move, the lungs and the brain resets. Side bending improves intercostal mobility. Your body's hidden breath muscles don't collapse. Lift as you bend. Last 5 seconds. Are you creating length or just leaning? That just lengthened your breath. Your tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.